Hello everyone, welcome to Canva's Crusade channel. Our video title today is Canva tutorial on how to create a Black Friday Instagram video post. On the screen you are seeing a quick Black Friday Instagram post I did, very easy to do. So now I'm sharing how I did it. Let's start by creating an Instagram post. Add a rectangular shape and make it bigger than the size of the design. Choose the color you want. Next step, insert the text. Duplicate the text with a different color and paste like I'm doing here. Then select both square and the text and click Group. After that, animate and choose Drift. I'm taking this element to the top of the post and then I'm duplicating it. Now, I'm changing the drift direction on each rectangular. Again, I'm selecting the top element and I'm going to copy and paste it and drag it to the bottom of the page. Now I'm going to rotate the elements. Make sure they meet in the end. I want these elements to be more centered in the page. So I'm selecting them all and drag them down. Let's see how is this going. I'm happy with the result. Let's finish. I'm now changing the background color to black, and to do this I'm selecting the page and choosing the color. Final step, I'm inserting my hook. To pop up the text, I'm using the shadow effect and also an animation option. Let's insert the last words of my hook. I'm also using the shadow effect in these words. That's it. Hope you find this video useful, and if so, remember to share in the comments section how this worked for you. Remember to subscribe the channel and hit the bell button so you'll know when we upload more videos. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.